financial institutions, so the asset owners. And what we are building is a protocol for tokenization of their assets for asset owners and bringing new products to banks. So basically, we have a couple of products inside. It's first of all the tokenization itself. It works as bank as a service. So we're tokenizing using third-party providers and fintech. And the plan is to build a big foundation of fintech all over the world who are gonna provide this tokenization. It's mostly Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. And secondly, also working on custodian and custodians for financial institutional players like pension funds, like banks who need to open the limit against crypto exchanges, and they need this service in order to serve their clients. So we already have the clients all over the world. We have 2 clients in New York. We have 2 clients in California. We are working on some very interesting assets right now. So, for instance, in LA, we are working on the movie asset. We are setting up the infrastructure for the guys from Hollywood who wants to create the platform for equity fundraising, funding of the movies. Then in Hong Kong, we are working for the structured finance group of one of the biggest bank there. And these guys, they want to create mezzanine financing for the people who take a mortgage real estate. So for instance, if you took a mortgage and you buy the apartment, then your money is locked. So we do tokenization of these apartments, and then you will be able to trade these tokens in the secondary markets. So we have, in New York, we have the clients who are venture capital funds and they want to tokenize the late stage portfolio that is not liquid for early stage investors. So investors can exit to liquidity at some point. So we simplify things that are very slow and very difficult right now.
Are you in some way heavily regulated or not that heavily regulated? How's the scenario right now for BANKEX?
Yeah, we ourselves, of course, are regulated, and the core market for us is US. So we are SEC compliant here, and our token is utility token, but we are dealing, of course, with security tokens as well. So we are dealing with tokens in 2 modes. Part of the mode, half of tokens are utility tokens, but big part is security token as well. For security tokens, it pretty much works as a whitelist for regular ICOs. We have whitelist investors who get access to the markets, and that's why we offer this product OTC white label for the banks. So we want banks to run these exchanges, not us, because these guys will make sure that they have all the regulation in place. In case we just, in terms of our ICO, we're going behind some level, we're going to get this license as well. So we will provide this service to end clients as well.
Why should Wells Fargo or Bank of America go to you? I mean, couldn't they not absorb this technology and do it themselves? Why do they need a third party for that?
Yeah, I was working for banks for about 5 years, and most of the team from the banks. So the banks are very bad, and first of all, on pivoting and new things because they don't want to risk their platforms. And nobody wants to be newcomer. First one, they want to some others test, and they're very bad in negotiating with each other. So it's very difficult for them to sit at one table and make agreements and some kind of standard for the asset. So the biggest value that we bring is we are bringing the standard for the assets where everybody's agreed with.
Who are you partnering right now? Are you able to disclose that?
Yeah, we would like announce basically today is our pre-announcement. Tomorrow's press release is coming, so we got as official advisor Balance Free Consensus. So those guys are our official advisors, and they're third-party auditors independent auditors for our approval-based protocol. So it's kind of like Moody's or big 4 companies in the world, the same in crypto. They're going to be balance free, working for us. Yeah, then we're also part of silver members of Symphony Foundation. This is the non-profit foundation for the biggest banks in the US, 15 banks. And we are there as one of the startup, the first crypto company in this foundation.
Got it. Scott, I know you're doing something radical.